Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Yatra. So today we are going to create a landing page for Zerodha website. So this is the landing page for Zerodha website. So in today's video we are going to create the navbar element, images and this section. So we won't go into this section, we will cover in the next video. So let's get started. So I will use the VS Code IDE. In the Zerodha page folder, I will create a file named index.html. It's an HTML file and enter. So just press Shift 1, exclamation mark will come and then press enter. This is the boilerplate for the HTML5 document. So let's give the title Zerodha homepage. So let's have a look at the website. First we need to create this navbar. So let's create a div for it, div.navbar. So class navbar, inside the div we have logo. So this logo you can download from here, like save images, and you can download it. I have already added here. You can see this SVG image, so I need to use here. So let's add a logo here, ing_src logo.svg. This is my logo. You can give alternative text as logo. So let's run the live server here, go live. It will automatically reload the page whenever every changes is made in the index.html file. So this is our logo. Yeah, it doesn't look nice, but we will optimize it. So then we need to add this section: sign up, about, products, pricing and support. For that we will create another div, div.navlinks. Here we will add sign up, about, products, pricing and support. Sign up, then we will copy paste this 5 times. Products, then third one was about, products. This was products, this was about. Then sign up, instead of sign up we add pricing, then support. So let's see how our website looks. So you can see this, we get the div here, but we need to align it to the right side. So for that we need to add some CSS here. So let's add some CSS to the navbar. So we will add inline CSS here. Style, display will give flex, then justify content, center, then we'll add padding and box shadow. So padding, top and bottom 0 pixel, left and right 100 pixel. Then we will add in box shadow. So let's see. So this is how our page look till now. So this logo is very big, so we need to change the height and width of this logo. So let's do that. So let's add width 160, height 30. You can adjust it according to your needs. So we will add padding, style, padding top 30 pixels. So let's see how it looks. Okay, you can see. Now we need to see this. See here the logo is on the left hand side and the rest are on the right hand side. So we need to fix this. So let's see how we can do it. So we will wrap this links in another div.navItems. Give the class name navItems so that we can align them as per our requirement. So suppose we will close the div here. So everything looks good. Remove format code. Now let's see how it looks. Okay, now we need to add some inline properties to this navItem div. So style, we will add display flags. You can see they are aligned horizontally. So we need some spacing. Let's add cursor inside style, cursor's pointer. Now we will add padding to each of the nav links. So style padding, let's give 20 pixels. So we'll copy this, select using multiple cursor. You can press Alt and click anywhere, then it will create a new cursor at that point. So you can see we have added padding here. So now it look little good. So now we need to make it like this. So logo on the left hand side and this all on the right hand side. So let's see how we can do it. So here we have somewhere added justify content center. So let's modify this and let's change into space between. Let's see. Okay, now you can see these are on the right hand side and the logo is on the left hand side, but you can see the logo is not on the center. So let's make it to the center. So once logo, increase padding top to 20 pixels. So now you can see it's on the center of they are on the same line. So we have finished this. Now let's move to, let's little increase the size of this font. So font size, let's add here font size 18 pixels. Okay, now it looks good. So it's now let us add image. So this image you can download, save images, then you can download on your local machine. So I have already downloaded it here, hero.png. So let's add this image here. So after this we will add our images. So let's add some br tag to add new line. So we will create a new div here, div.image image img tag, then hero.png. So let's see how it looks. So you can see this image is very big, so we need to adjust the height and width accordingly. So you can click on the inspect, then you can select this icon, then you can click here. So we need to reduce the size of the image, so let's see how we can do it. So let's add here some attributes in inline CSS, display flags and justify content center. So it will be on the center of the screen, you can see. Then let's add here width of, let's say 800. Let's see how it looks. Okay, you can see now it looks perfectly good, but we need to give some space, some top margin. So let's give it a top margin, or we can add a new line here. So you can see it's aligned on the center. Now we'll move to this section. So this is in, after this div we'll add some new line, then we'll create another div dot heading. Let's keep class name heading. So here I will add h1 and paste these things. So let's see. So you can see this is not aligning on the center, so let's add some attributes to align this on center. So let's add some attribute, display flags, then justify content center. Let's see. Okay, now it's on the center of the screen, just like this. So we can increase its font. So font size, let's add font size, let's say 25 pixels. Okay, now it looks good. So next is we need to add these things, this h5 here, this, let's copy this and add after this. Let's add br, then div dot small tags, then h5 tag, then add this. So you can see this isn't aligned in center, so let's add the copy this in here, then paste this. So we don't need this big font, so we'll reduce it to suppose 17 pixels. So let's see how it looks. So you can see here is a big gap, so let's reduce this br. So let's see. So we need, so you can see here they are not this, there is a gap between these two, so let's remove this br also and let's see. Okay, now you can see it looks good, but we need to increase the font size. So let's increase font size to 22 pixels. So okay, 22 pixels. Then we can use you can see this font and these fonts are different, so you can use custom font also. You can go to fonts to Google font. You can go to this website and select the font you like. So this is for up to you to do this, so I won't show you here, we will see in the later video. So Now we need to add this sign up button. So you can see this button, so we'll add now. So let's create another div here for the button, div dot button, class name button. Then we will create here a button, sign up now, sign up now. So let's see. So you can see the button appear here. So we need to add some styling. First we will copy this style and we will paste here. Now there's some error, let's see what happened. Okay, so you can see the button appear here, but we need to make this button, so I will add some more styling to the button. We have added background color, border radius, padding, font size. Now let's see how it looks. So you can see here it looks good. Now we need to add a hover effect, just like whenever we hover over this button, background color changes to black. So for that we can add little bit of, you can say, internal CSS. So let's give this what is class name button dot button, we can hover. So on hover we can say background color black. Let's see. So there is something. Okay, I have added, you can see I have added this hover effect on the div. We just need to add to the button. So let's use element selector. So let's see. No, it's not working. So let's add class some ID button. Now we will use the ID selector. Let's refresh the page. No, it's still not working. So let's see what's the problem. So we will remove this internal CSS and we will add it in here. So we will apply internal CSS to the button. So background color, border radius and padding, cursor pointer, then font size 22 pixels. Okay, now let's see how it looks. So you can see we need to change the text color also. Is disappear whenever we hover over here. See, text color was also black, so background also black, so it disappears. So we need to change the color. So color, text color, we make it white. So now you can see good hover effect here. Now let's create a div here with let's give it a height of 100 pixels so that our website look good. So you can see we have created our website, though it is not as good as this, but as a beginner you get to learn many things like creating the navbar, adding images, some tags, buttons, and little bit of CSS also. So subscribe and like the video and share it with your friends. So let's see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.